If you're looking to make some quick chicken starter, then definitely I would recommend you trying this restaurant style garlic coriander chicken, for which in a bowl I've added in oil. Next I've added in chopped coriander leaves. I've added in chopped green chilies. Next I'm adding in chopped garlic, squeezing in some lemon juice. And next I'll be just adding in some basic spices. There are no fancy spices which I'm adding, just everything which you get in your kitchen. Now I'm adding in turmeric powder. I'll be adding in salt to taste. Next, and then I'll be adding in some chaat masala, and you need to mix this really very well. Now either you can add all the ingredients which I'll be adding next, or else you can do it the way which I'm doing. So I'm mixing this really very well. Next I'm adding in some Kashmiri chili powder. This is for color. I'm adding in some Kashmiri chili powder, and again I'll mix it really very well. Now the marinade is ready. Half of the marinade is ready. Next I'll be adding in cleaned and washed chicken. Here I've added in boneless chicken. If you want, you can add a chicken with bones as well. It's completely your choice. Do the way you want. Next I'll be adding in some soya sauce, and I'll mix the chicken really very well. Now either you can just marinate it for 5 minutes and start cooking. Otherwise, if you're doing meal prep for the week, or just if you want, you can do overnight. It's completely up to you. But trust me, if you're doing a meal prep, this is a quick recipe. If you're on a run for lunch, dinner, quick to do, marinate this, keep it in the fridge, and whenever you want, just add it to the pan and toss it, and your chicken is ready. Now heat a pan, add in oil. Now add the marinated chicken, how much ever you have marinated, and just save a little bit of marinade for later. So I've added the chicken whichever I've marinated. Add a little bit of water to that marinade and keep it aside. Now spread the chicken evenly and start cooking the chicken on high flame. Keep on tossing the chicken or sauteing the chicken just every 1 to 2 minutes. This chicken will be done in just 20 minutes. It's not a long process. In 20 minutes it will be done. Once the chicken is 80% cooked, I'm adding in some tomato ketchup, just adding in a pinch of sugar, and then I'll be adding in some next I'll be adding in some the remaining marinade which I had previously saved, and toss the chicken really very well on high flame. Check for the salt at this stage, and finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and a super tasty restaurant style garlic coriander chicken is ready to have. You can have it with rice, rasam, just like a starter, if there are guests coming in, or for a meal prep. Trust me, you will love it. Kids will love it. It's like a wholesome family chicken starter which everybody will love. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. I would definitely recommend you to trying this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.